Do you know the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage when it comes to auto insurance? Hi, my name is Mandy, and today I'm your insurance mom here with some helpful information. Collision insurance coverage provides protection for damage of your covered auto due to impact with another vehicle or object like a telephone pole or mailbox. Collision insurance coverage is optional coverage unless you have a car loan. Comprehensive insurance coverage provides protection for damages caused to your car for everything else, including collisions with animals. Comprehensive insurance coverage is an optional coverage unless you have a car loan. Then your lender will require you to purchase it. Kind of confusing, right? Let's look at a few examples. You're driving along a country road, a deer runs out, you strike it, causing damage to your vehicle. Although it's technically a collision, this would be covered under comprehensive insurance. You're driving along a country road, a deer runs out, you swerve and hit someone's mailbox. This would be covered under collision, not comprehensive. Or you're driving on the highway and something falls off a truck and hits your car. This is covered under comprehensive coverage. But if the object falls off the truck, lands in the road, and you hit it, this would be covered by collision. To learn more about these coverages, talk to your independent insurance agent or find one using the agency locator in the comments below.